Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by setting a proper sequence and organizing assets so nothing slows you down. Import footage and graphics, then open the Essential Graphics panel because that's where motion-friendly elements live. Create a text layer and a background shape immediately, position them roughly where you want the animation to start. Once done, convert complex clips to nests for cleaner keyframing, and enable GPU acceleration in Preferences so real-time playback is smoother while you animate. You'll now craft motion using keyframes and curves for natural movement. In Effect Controls, set position, scale, and rotation keyframes, and then apply Easy Ease to soften starts and stops. Use the graph editor to tweak speed ramps for more organic motion. For layered effects, animate masks and opacity, and nest sequences to keep timelines tidy. Make sure to preview at full resolution sparingly. Lower playback resolution for smoother scrubbing and refine motion timing until it reads clearly. You're at the finish line. Render a preview and confirm motion reads at target frame rate. Add motion blur if needed using a plugin or simulated blur techniques. Export through Adobe Media Encoder with H.264 and a high bitrate, matching source frame size and frame rate for crisp playback. Once exported, check on target devices. If things go wrong, clear the media cache, toggle GPU acceleration, or pre-render slow sections. This single troubleshooting step fixes most playback and export issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.